Hello to all. This side advocate Ankesh Mishra, and I'm residing in Delhi. And academic background is my BSc and LLB and MHA. Overall experience I have 12 years in a legal background, directly indirectly. So today I was thinking to make a YouTube channel, a YouTube platform from many days to help and share all the legal aspects to my dear friends, whomsoever is going to be joined. Because in our time it was not very high tech and technical, but nowadays this is very easy. Whichever you want to know, you can get it easily on Google and YouTube and other digital platform also. So nowadays it is very easier to learn ourselves, to upgrade our knowledge in any field. So I have some, I will manage some my time, and I'll try to help and share my overall experience and some other aspects of legality to my friends also. So what we are going to do on this channel is slowly this channel will be the biggest platform with the overall stuff. It will not likely to be a random videos. There is a plan, proper plan, what we are going to discuss next, what will be the complete cycle, what topics we are going to be covered, what will be the motto and agenda for the covering of those materials. And the topic consists, and the target of the topic will be the targeted segments, like some topics will be relevant for the students appearing for LLB programs, some for those who have completed and now wants to proceed to make a career in a legal practice, some for those who are going to prepare themselves for AIB exams or government job aspects and all. So it will be well structured, well designed, and in a well manner, so you will not see irrelevant videos just for the sake of views and to increase the number of subscriber and all. So the vision and mission of this channel to make is to make a largest pool of LLBian Academy. So why the name of LLBian Academy? Because as you know, I am from the law background, and definitely the members who is going to be joined and to join this channel definitely belongs to be from the legal background. So all LLB students will become LLBian, and here we are not for the entertainment, here we are for the learning. And throughout the age, this is the field where we learn on a daily basis. Every day we learn. So combinedly it is named as a LLBian Academy. So the vision and mission of LLBian Academy channel is to make a largest pool of huge number of family members of this channel. And the main objective of this channel will be to provide a legal platform with the accessibility and for the easement of all members to make their skills, knowledge, everything to upgrade on a regular basis and to successful career in a legal field. And here we will be connected with each other as a family. So whenever we need to discuss anything, to meet, to have a meeting for something to discuss, we can plan for those things also. So overall, the plan is not to be like a normal YouTube channel like others. There will be some uniqueness, there will be some different. We will have a different platform in a different manner, so that it is going to help all the family members of this channel to upgrade their knowledge and career in this field. Second thing, what is the objective of this channel? Apart from vision and mission, obviously there is some objectives. The objective will be mainly to educate and help to all these new students, new learner, new person who is going to join LLB classes, degree programs, for those. And definitely we are going to cover it syllabus wise. So it will be a systematic. So the student who is in first semester, he can go for the first semester playlist, and there he can have all the exposure of syllabus in a well described manner, so it will be very easy to understand for that student, and he can do a better in his exam and can score a better marks. Second, it will be like complete, detailed, and informatic description related to all section wise, all segment wise. Like we are going to cover in a detailed manner IPC, all the chapters, all the sections, articles, everything, CRPC, CPC. So we are going to cover all these in a different in a detailed way. We are not going to just only touch randomly. We are not going to pick the topic, one topic from that segment, one topic from like human rights, one topic from the right to life. We are not going to cover in this manner. We are going to cover in the conceptual manner. So it will match head to head. It will match for the students in terms of if you see the syllabus, majorly it will match to there. If you want to know anything from the Indian Penal Code, you will get it here. Once it will cover the complete annexure of the targeted topics and syllabus of this channel. So like after 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, it will be the complete package for the all the members of this channel. So this is going to be different from others. We are going to cover all the topics in a well manner to understand, to see. Every can read a book, but we are not going to take you in this channel as a reading a book. We are going to make it very short, brief, and defined manner. It will be very easy to understand, to understand the difference between the one topic from the another topics. So it will be easier to make you like understand all the segments. So we are going to cover all the procedures in CRPC. We are going to cover everything in CPC. We are going to cover IPC. We are going to cover other aspects also, but in a detailed way. So in a first video, second video, third video, and so on, you are not feel these objective immediately, but slowly, when it will cover all the aspects, all the chapters, everything, then you will come to know, wow, this will be the big basket for the learner, right? So these are our objective. What will be the ladder? What will be the ladder of this channel? How we are going to do this? Because it is not a approach for 1 day or 1 month or 1 year. It is a very futuristic approach. So program is very big, because you know the legal field is a very, like, you cannot measure with anything. So it is a very broader and broader, without any limit. There is a huge, every day we learn. So ladder means the concept and the approach of this channel. I'm going to categorize in a 3 phase. In phase 1, I'm going to share the complete syllabus. I'm going to share an annexure with the complete syllabus, what we are going to cover in a first phase. If people and the family joins more and they like to part of it and they recommend and they show their interest, so then I am going to enter into second phase. So second phase, first phase will be the very short information on every topics. Second phase will cover overall overall aspects with the regular updates in the legal fields, what the government is announcing, what the amendment is going on, everything. In the first phase, we are going to just cover the content of the complete syllabus in terms of LLB students approach all the topics in a shorter manner, right? Second phase, we are going to cover with the regular updates and some regular videos on the basis of some background. And third phase, we are going to cover it on a broad level in a detailed manner, every topics. So it will become like a books for all the learner family members. So these 3 phases will be great. So I would request to all of you, the moment you see this video, I am requesting to all of you, just join and share with everyone, so we can have a good number of people. So I will become more motivated to put more efforts to make more videos, to make regular updates and videos for you all. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to show you, I'm going to share with you what topics I'm going to cover, and in a sequencing manner, what first, what second, what next, in a sequence. With the sequencing I'm going to share with all of you what will be the topics we are going to cover, and I'm damn sure you all will enjoy learning of this group, and it is going to help them. Definitely it is going, because see, to join this and to subscribe this channel is in your hand. Similarly, unsubscription of this channel is also in your hand. But I'm also familiar with the YouTubers, other YouTubers who is sharing the legal thing. All are doing good, all are sharing the good. But here you will get some different kind of knowledge, same knowledge in different manner. So you will get it easily. You will make your career easily in a successful manner. Okay. Thank you guys. Definitely in 2-3 days or by Monday, I'm going to share you one video on a daily basis in a described sequencing manner of the syllabus. Okay, so on my next video I'm going to share you what topics we are going to cover, and it will be on a daily basis, one video on a daily basis. Okay, so thank you, bye bye, watching for this video, and see you again in the next video. Thank you so much.